Is that an injury? Do it again. Try it again.
No, the hand.
Use your hand if you need to.
Okay.
Yay! Okay, now do your bird thing.
Huh?
Do your bird thing where you jump like a bird. And flap your. When you flap your wings.
Huh? Flap your wings?
Flap your wings.
Flap your wings. I didn't do it. Flap your wings. Flap your wings.
Somersault one more time.
Okay.
Ambulance. Somersault.
I need my hand.
Okay.